Ever felt like you're caught in a whirlwind of domestic chaos? Picture this, a day that starts off with a breakfast battlefield, where scrambled eggs are staging a coup and toast burns in protest. But wait, your robotic buddy, Pancake Paul, has already cooked up a stack of your beloved flapjacks. Work emails. They're breeding faster than rabbits in your inbox, but never fear. Mail sorting Maureen, your robotic secretary, has tamed the horde. The daily stampede known as school drop-offs? Carpooling Carl, the robotic chauffeur, has braved the jungle. And the tidal wave of milk you forgot for your morning caffeine fix? Shopping Sheila, your robotic errand runner, has surfed the dairy aisle and come up victorious. Household tasks mounting like an insurmountable Everest. Housekeeping Harry, your robotic cleaner, has climbed it and planted his flag. You don't have to juggle flaming batons of responsibility anymore. Bid farewell to your high-wire act of chores and say hello to your amusing band of robotic jesters. Picture this, a world where your floors are not just clean, but they sparkle brighter than a disco ball at a 70s dance party, and you didn't even break a sweat. Believe it or not, you're not dreaming. Welcome to the age of robotic housekeepers. These little wizards around your home like they're playing a never-ending game of tag with dust and grime, leaving behind floors so clean you could eat your dinner off them. Although we wouldn't recommend that. These tidy techies are more efficient than a factory assembly line, more relentless than a kid asking why, and the cherry on top, they spare you time. Time you could trade for the finer things in life. Like savoring a freshly brewed cup of coffee, miraculously whipped up by your robotic barista. In fact, they're so good, they make sliced bread look like yesterday's stale cracker. While they're busy redefining clean, you can sit back, relax, and focus on moments that paint your life's canvas. Ever fantasized about having your very own personal chef? Scratch that, a celebrity chef? Today, dreams become 4D. The chef is here to pull a culinary coup in your kitchen. Picture it, coming home to a gourmet meal every day with flavors that are dialed into your personal liking. No, we're not peddling pre-packaged microwave bleakness. We're talking Michelin star fare whipped up in your humble abode by your very own maestro. And get this, our robotic chef isn't just any old celeb chef. It's an all-rounder that tackles everything from the art of julienne to the finesse of sautéing, and even rolls up its circuits to clean up after. So, wave a gleeful goodbye to the horrors of meal prep. Your robotic chef is here to rescue you from your culinary calamities. Isn't forgetting to take your meds a real drag? Well, fear no more. Introducing the Robotic Health Assistant, your very own healthcare superhero. Here to save the day from all your forgetful shenanigans, this futuristic crusader vigilantly guards your medication schedule, providing friendly nudges and showing off a user-friendly interface. It's like having a superhero nurse tucked away in your pocket. But hold on to your hats, folks. Its superpowers don't at reminding you of your meds. It also keeps an eagle eye on your vital signs and sets up doctor's appointments. So, with the robotic health assistant in your corner, be ready to ask, a missed dose, isn't that a villain we vanquished long ago? Imagine if your child's best buddy was also their ace teacher. Well, guess what? You're living in that future right now. Robotic companions are here, turning the painful math sums and tricky language lessons into a thrilling roller coaster ride. The kind of ride where you're actually learning while having a blast. These robotic sidekicks don't just teach, they interact, making kids feel like they're part of an elite secret club, the League of Extraordinary Brains. We're talking serious playdate goals here. And while they're busy cracking codes and solving mysteries, they're also picking up those all-important social skills. So fasten your seatbelts, folks. With a robotic companion, learning isn't just fun, it's a mind-blowing, never-ending party. Life's a breeze with these robotic sidekicks taking over. Picture this, a world where chores are as extinct as the dodo, where robots have replaced your dish-soaked hands with their precision and consistency. Robotic sous chefs whipping up gourmet meals. Hey, they might even give Gordon Ramsay a run for his money. And the nanny bots, they're nurturing our kids' brains, freeing us to ponder over the biggest mysteries like, what is the actual color of a zebra? Is a hot dog a sandwich or a taco? If you're still stuck doing your laundry, it's high time you caught up. Welcome to the future. It's not just now, it's wow.